Tired of hiding your feet because of cracked yellow nails? Feel embarrassed to wear sandals or even walk barefoot at home? You're not alone, and yes, there is a solution. Hi, I'm Sophia, and today I'm going to share the truth about Metanail, the advanced nail and foot support formula that's helping people across the country finally get clean, healthy-looking nails again, naturally and safely. But before we go any further, a quick warning. Because of Metanail's huge success, there are fake versions being sold online. Metanail is only available through the official website. The link is right here in the description. Be smart and stay safe. So what exactly is Metanail? It's a topical formula made with powerful natural plant extracts, minerals, and oils, specially designed to nourish your nails and skin, fight harmful fungus, and restore strength and appearance to even the most damaged nails. How does it work? You apply it directly to your toenails and surrounding skin. The ingredients penetrate deeply, helping to eliminate fungus, soothe irritation, and protect against future infections. Here's what people love most about Metanail. It's fast absorbing and non-greasy. Made in the USA with natural ingredients, fights toenail fungus from the root. Helps nails grow back stronger, clearer, and smoother. No harsh chemicals, no prescription needed. For best results, apply twice a day, morning and night. Be consistent and you'll begin to notice a real difference in just a few weeks. Need proof? Jessica, 41, said her toenails went from horrible to healthy in less than 30 days. Carlos, 52, had tried everything until Metanail cleared the thick yellow nail he'd been hiding for years. Real people, real results. And here's the best part, Metanail is risk-free. You're covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't see the results you want, you get 100% of your money back. No questions asked, but don't wait. Supplies are limited and Metanail kits are flying off the shelves. If you see this video, it means it's still in stock, but not for long. Click the link in the description and secure your Metanail with a special discount now. Encapsulate USA, health on another level, real results.